Growing up in Ireland, we all know the irritation and the sting of a nettle. But now we realise that nettles are actually our friend. Have a look at these nutrition facts. 1 cup of blanched nettles contains 24% of the dietary fibre you need every day. Also, 35% of the vitamin A, 45% of the calcium you need, which is a whopping amount. Also, vitamin K, 580%, not to mention high in iron and magnesium. So we know it's healthy, but we also know it stings. So how do we use it? Well, I'll show you in this simple wild nettle pesto. Here are your ingredients. First, we pick the nettles. Make sure you're wearing a nice thick pair of gloves for this, or else you will get stung. Once you have your harvest, get it into a colander or a sieve and make sure and wash them thoroughly. After we wash them, we need to get them into a pot of boiling salted water. Nettles contain formic acid and histamine. The boiling water will deaden the sting of the nettles. Boil them for 2.5 to 3 minutes, then drain. Once drained, make sure you squeeze all of the moisture out from the nettles. Now we are ready to make our pesto. Toast some pine nuts, add about a tablespoon to your nettles. Then we're going to add 1 good clove of garlic, followed by some ground Padano cheese, some Irish rapeseed oil, about a 1/4 cup. And then after that, we're going to add some salt and some pepper. And now we are ready to buzz our pesto. Give it a good buzz for a good 5 minutes. Make sure it's nice and smooth because it is quite fibrous. And that's it. You're done. Wild nettle pesto. This will keep for about 2 weeks in your fridge. You can use this for pastas, chicken dishes, fish, but my favorite, just simply on some freshly baked bread.